How do the great violinists deal with such fast and intricate sections? And to answer this question, I did a bit of research and used my own 7 years of experience, and I found a few hacks that might help you master and nail down those fast passages. So let me save you the pain of playing fast sections miserably and tell you the number one reason why you can't play fast. Tension. Tension's that feeling where your fingers are like running on sand. You feel that heat coming in and it slows everything down. So there are two ways to deal with this baddie. Number one is a technique that Ray Chen himself uses. It is to divert your focus from your left hand to your right hand, which is your bow hand. This helps prevent your left hand from tensing up because you're not even really thinking about it. The second way to deal with tension is something you're not gonna like, but you need to hear this. It's to do slow metronome practice. Set the tempo slow and build your way up. There's really no way around the practicing. There are many hacks and different things I can tell you, but those are only supplementary to the main practice that you have to do. Start practicing at a slow tempo, and once you can play it accurately with zero mistakes, then increase the tempo. I mean it. Don't increase the tempo unless you can play it 100% accurately. But what if I told you that the reason why you can't play fast is not because of tension and might be because of something else, which is so much easier to fix? The reason why you can't play fast might be because of the way you hold your violin. Okay, so this is how you hold your violin. You first put it at around a 45-degree angle. See what's comfortable. Make sure that your chin or jaw, whatever you want to call it, is on the chin rest. Like that. And you should be able to hold your violin like this without dropping it. It's not your left hand that's supposed to hold it up. What I see most people doing is they hold it kind of like this, where their arm is doing most of the work. And if they if they let go, it droop down. So you don't want to be doing that. And I bet you if you can fix that, you will sound so much better and you can nail those fast passages. Oh, and by the way, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10 subscribers by January. Thanks. Everything I told you will be of no use if you don't take this one action. And it's so crazy how this is overlooked. It is to sleep more. When you sleep more, your central nervous system repairs and recovers. And that's what you use to actually play fast. You want your central nervous system sharp so that you can get those fast sections extremely accurate and precise and everything else you want it to be. If you're a beginner violinist struggling to learn violin online or just can't find a private lesson teacher, click on the top link in the description where you can learn from me personally. Thanks.